Welcome to Zoe's Chinese class. This class will help you to learn Chinese from zero level. So today we're gonna talk about the most difficult initials, Z, Qi, Xi. And before that, so let's check on all the initials we have in Chinese syllables. So this is all the initials we have in Chinese, and it has three parts: easy part, the difficult part, and the special part. So if you still don't know how to pronounce the easy parts, please click the video now, and you can get it at the moment after watching the video. Trust me, it's pretty easy and you won't regret it. And for the special parts, it's special and that means it's not that difficult. So please click the video popped up now, and you will know how to pronounce it and how to use it. And now let's talk about the most difficult initials in Chinese syllables. Ji, Qi, Xi. Why is it difficult? Because you don't have it in English. So first of all, step one, when you pronounce it, your mouth and lip tense a little bit. The shape more like when you pronounce E. Remember the shape, E. Yes. Step two, then use your tongue, touch your hot palates, touch it. And step three, then let the air flow through your tongue and your hot palates. Then you can do Ji, Ji, Ji. Remember that? Step one, step two, step three. Ji, Ji, 机会, 鸡蛋. And for qi, it's same with step one and same with step two. And at the step three, let the air flow stronger and shorter. Qi, qi, like a 期待, 期许. You can think of a punch, but use your mouth to make the sound instead of the air vibration. Punch, 期, 期. For C, same with step one, and at the step two, your tongue almost touch your hot palates. And at step three, let the air flow. C, 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 like a 希望, 西瓜. You can think of push, push, but use your mouth to make the sound instead of the air vibration. C, push, push. 西, ji, qi, xi. For this three, I know it's difficult and you don't have it in English, but I think sooner or later you will get used to it, and don't worry about that, and trust yourself, you can do it. 加油!